Hello students, let us try to see the question. An ideal gas is taken through a cycle A to B, B to C and C to A shown in the figure. If the net heat supply in the cycle is 5 joule, so Q is equal to 5 joule, then the work done by the gas in the process C2A is there. C2A is asking. So dear student, if you see in these questions, how can you find? So here is the A to B is going. So volume is getting changed, student. Then B to C volume is constant, and C to A again there is change in the volume, right? So what you will be able to do in this question, student, because for cyclic process, if you talk about for cyclic process, internal energy is constant, student. Delta U is equal to 0. So Q is equal to, so what we can write, student, so Q is equal to, or delta Q is equal to delta W. Okay, whatever the heat supply will be equal to delta W. So dear students, how can you be able to understand in this process the work done? Okay, so total work done delta W is equal to, what will be there, student, W to AB, W to AB plus W to BC plus W2, what will be there, student, CA. This is the work done, total work done, means how much work done is here, A to B, then B to C, then C to A. This is the total work done. Now dear student, when you talk about the BC, BC is the no volume change. B is equal to, here is the constant volume, so delta V is equal to 0, so work will also be the 0 here in this case. So BC is equal to 0. So what we can write is, student, delta W is equal to WAB, leave it out because volume change is there, plus BC will be the 0, student. Okay, plus CA we have to calculate. No, WCA they are asking. So WAB, this much, how much volume is changing? Dear student, you see that is 2 is here and 10 is this. Okay, so P delta B, P delta V. So how can we apply here? Let us see, student, this question. Okay, so if you talk about this, student, for the W we are going to calculate WAB. Okay, so WAB, how you will be able to calculate, student, WAB? So it will be P delta V, right, student? So P delta V means what? V2 minus V1, right, student? So that is P is how much? Here is 10, student. So 10, because this is the pressure axis. So 10 in bracket V2 minus V1. So V2 minus, this is 1 and V1, and here is 2. So what will be there, student? 2 minus 1. So how much is W will come, student? 10. W will come how much, student? That is 10 joule, right? So now now in the, from this equation we are going to apply again from 1. Okay, so from equation 1, this is from equation 1. So from equation 1, if you are going, what is there, student? Delta W is equal to AB. WAB we calculated, student. WAB how much? 10 joule. Okay, then we are having that is 0. Then WCA they are asking, student, WCA they are asking WCA. Up delta W is equal to, what is there in the question, where in the beginning we got, student, delta Q is equal to delta W. Delta Q is equal to delta W. So how much heat supplied, student? Total heat 5 joule. So it will be equal to what? Well, delta Q is equal to delta W is equal to 5 joule, right? So we can apply here 5 joule at the place. So here is 5 joule, student, equal to 10 joule plus 0 no need, plus WCA. So WCA is equal to what, student? 5 joule minus 10 joule. So that is how much is WCA is equal to how much, student? Minus 5 joule. WCA is equal to minus 5 joule. This is our required answer. So correct option is option number A is the correct option, student. But you need to read out again and again, student. This is a quite good question. You can see. This is quite good question. Thank you so much for watching, friends.